Chapter 4 Traditional Indian Clothes. In India, clothes for men and women vary from region to region depending on the geography, climate and culture of the people of that region. Let's have a look how clothes for men and women differ in India. Traditional clothes for women. Some clothes are worn by people of certain areas only. These clothes are called traditional clothes. Indian women wear clothes according to the region they live in and the climate of the region. Some of the traditional clothes are sari. For a very long time, Indian women have been wearing a long unstitched piece of cloth, a sari. Do you know? Late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi wore sari at the time of a wedding which was hand-woven by Jawaharlal Nehru specially for her. It is worn in different ways in different states. Ghagra choli. Ghagra choli or lehenga choli is a traditional clothing of women in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Punjabis also wear this dress in some folk dances. An odhni is also used with ghagra choli. Salwar kameez. Salwar kameez is the traditional wear of women in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. It consists of loose trousers, salwar, topped by a tunic, kameez. Women often wear a dupatta or odhni to cover their head. Reshmi lehenga. Reshmi lehenga is a traditional dress in South India and Rajasthan. It is usually worn by young girls. It has normally golden border at the bottom. Traditional clothes for men. The traditional clothes of men vary from one state to another. Firan, salwar. In Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, men wear firan salwar. Dhoti kurta. A dhoti is a white or light colored strip of cotton cloth. It is mainly worn with kurta by men in villages in North India. Lungi shirt. A lungi is a type of dhoti which may be open or stitched. It is popular in South India. It is worn with a shirt and tucked over the waist. Lungi is called veshti in Tamil Nadu and mundu in Kerala. Sherwani. A sherwani is a long coat. Its length is usually just below the knees. It is worn with churidar or tight-fitting pants. Sherwani is usually worn during wedding ceremonies by the groom. Let's talk about the traditional dress of the state you belong to. Embroidery. Indian embroidery has a very long tradition history. Some of the Indian embroidery styles are discussed below. Chikankari. Chikankari embroidery comes from the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is crafted on lightweight fabrics like cotton, georgette or chiffons. The Lucknow chikan kurtas are worldwide famous. Zardozi, zari. Zardozi is an ancient form of embroidery basically done with gold or silver zari threads. It is also known as metal embroidery. Lehengas and saris with heavy zari work look royal, making it a popular choice for bridal wear. Phulkari. Phulkari is the embroidery of flower motifs on fabric, embroidered mainly in the states of Haryana and Punjab. This style covers the entire cloth. Kantha. The traditional embroidery style practiced in Bengal and Odisha, Kantha work is famous for its simplicity. This pattern is made of motifs of animals, birds and flowers in a running stitch format with short gaps. Kantha embroidery finds place on saris, bed covers, wall hangings and curtains. Summing up, people in different parts of India wear different types of clothes. Sari, ghagra choli and salwar kameez are popular garments among Indian women. Dhoti, lungi and sherwani are popular men's wear. Chikankari, phulkari, zardozi and kantha are popular forms of Indian embroidery. Chapter 5 Physical